tasks first before moving on to urgent ones. 3. Use time blocking. Time blocking is an effective time management technique that involves planning and organizing your day into blocks of time. This technique helps you stay focused, reduce distractions, and make the most of your time. Of your time. To use time blocking, start by breaking down your day into blocks of time, each with a specific task. For example, you could block off 2 hours for emails, an hour for exercise, and 3 hours for project work. Make sure to schedule breaks between blocks to help you refresh and recharge. Project work. Make sure to schedule breaks between blocks to help you refresh and recharge. 4. Minimize distractions. Distractions can be a major time waster, leading to decreased productivity and lost time. To minimize distractions, turn off notifications on your phone, put away unnecessary items, and close your email and other social media tabs while working. Additionally, consider setting aside specific times to check social media and email instead of constantly checking them throughout the day. 5. Delegate tasks. Delegating tasks is an important part of effective time management. Learn to identify tasks that can be done by someone else and delegate them accordingly. This will free up your time to focus on more important tasks and goals. Important tasks and goals. When delegating tasks, make sure to communicate clearly what needs to be done and provide relevant information and resources to help the person accomplish the task successfully. 6. Learn to say no. Learning to say no is essential for effective time management. Saying yes to everything can lead to spreading yourself too thin and not having enough time for the important things. When someone asks you to do something, consider whether it's aligned with your goals and priorities. If it's not, politely decline and communicate why you're declining. 7. Take regular breaks. Taking regular breaks is important for maintaining productivity and preventing burnout. Taking a short break every hour or so can help you stay fresh and avoid fatigue. Breaks can be as simple as taking a walk, stretching, or doing a quick meditation. Whatever you do, make sure it's something you enjoy and helps you recharge. It's important to note that effective time management strategies can vary from person to person, as everyone has different needs and preferences. However, incorporating some of these strategies into our routine can help you become more efficient and effective with your time. Our routine can help you become more efficient and effective with your time. In addition to the strategies listed above, it's important to prioritize self-care as a part of your time management routine. This includes getting enough sleep, eating healthy, and exercising regularly. Taking care of yourself helps you feel more energized and focused, allowing you to be more productive with your time. Taking care of yourself helps you feel more energized and focused, allowing you to be more productive with your time. Remember that effective time management is not about working harder or cramming more tasks into your day. It's about working smarter and being intentional with your time to achieve your goals and impact.